Today we're heading to Busch Gardens. I'm Bushman in a garden because we're going to Busch Gardens.
Join us on our very first visit to Busch Gardens. We're on a mission to ride one of the best roller coasters in the world. But will the weather stop us?
It's not exactly the perfect theme park weather. We're on a tight schedule and storms are expected all day.
Iron Gwazi will be temporarily closed.
Along the way, we go behind the scenes of some epic coasters, encounter the incredible animals, and explore the park for this Frankentrain video.
No, not a Frankentrain video, a Castle Stein video. So let's go.
Share the spirit of a distant land in Florida at Busch Gardens.
Our ticket includes transportation to the park. Since we're staying at Hard Rock Hotel, this shuttle is our only way to get there. We head over to a nearby hotel pickup spot and wait for our ride to Busch Gardens.
Now time for the 2005 dive coaster, Shakira.
No. It's Shakira. You know what? We've been on quite a few B&Ms and this one was actually really good. Unfortunately, they didn't have the splash zone actually on, but apart from that, it was a really good ride. As there are expected storms today, the park is very quiet. We do love when a theme park is very quiet, especially when I can have a whole roller coaster to myself. Tigress.
During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train. Hold down on the left bar. Lift up on the comfort collar and put the comfort collar over your head. Buckle the comfort.
No. This coaster gets a lot of hate, but you know what? I actually really enjoyed it and it was super intense, but now for something what's a little bit less intense.
For the newest coaster of the park, Phoenix Rising.
Hey Lizard, what do you think of this ride? Next up is Falcon's Flight. Wait, no, Falcon's Fury. Let's go. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm going to do a quick challenge. As the park's so quiet, I'm going to see if I can be quiet for this drop, okay? Completed it.
Now, we're trying Chick-fil-A for the first time here at Busch Gardens.
And you know what? I really love this sauce.
Even the birds love the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Bark like a dog, roar like a lion, jump like a frog, pretend you're flying.
So now here comes the storm. We're literally about to go on Iron Gwazi and it's closed because of the storm. Oh no. It doesn't seem promising that we might not go on this.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Due to inclement weather in the area, Iron Gwazi will be temporarily closed.
After finally waiting around 1 hour for the storm to get out of our radius, Iron Gwazi is now open. After riding multiple times front and back, I can now say Iron Gwazi is my #1 coaster. I love RM seats and this one is super intense, making it my new #1. We were very lucky it managed to reopen.
So Kiara found her new #1 coaster. I wouldn't say it's my #1, but it's definitely high on my list. I really enjoyed the ride, and of course I love crocodiles and alligators. They're my favourite animal and it's themed around that, so I had to buy some merch.
If you haven't already, check out a previous video where we visit Gatorland for some more animal encounters. And now, let's encounter some of the animals at this park.
Let's be animals, let's be animals, let's be animals today. Bark like a dog, roar like a lion, jump like a frog, pretend you're flying. Let's be animals now. Ducks go quack, cows go moo,
thought you were going to jump on me.
It's really soft, right?
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Would you like the most?
Wait, that's my watch. I can't eat my watch. Hang on.
Mind your cup. He's coming for it. What are you doing? What are you doing there?
Even though we went on some crazy coasters today, this has to be the highlight. An Aussie meeting another Aussie. This was great to get up so close to such an amazing animal.
Oh man, I can't wait to go and stand these log flume. It's been open for 50 years now, so let's go on. Wait, what?
Next up, Kumba.
No. Since some of the coasters aren't in action today, we've got the chance to go behind the scenes of some attractions.
The first tour is Cheetah Hunt. The intimate launch coaster opened back in 2011.
One of the cool things we noticed was the launch system on Cheetah Hunt. Instead of using cable launch, like we saw back at another intimate attraction, Speed Monster in Tusenfryd, Norway. Cheetah Hunt uses magnetic launches to boost the train multiple times throughout the ride. But the main question is, what do you prefer?
Magnet.
Or cable?
Magnet.
Cable.
Magnet.
Cable.
Magnet.
Cable. Or cable. Fun fact, these wheels have never been replaced. They just send them back to Intamin for manufacture, polish them up and get them sent back on the tracks. So kind of like recycling, isn't it? One of the coolest things about this tour was seeing the Franken train. This was one of the first trains they used when opening back in 2016. However, it had a crash and now they use it for parts, stitching up the new trains like Frankenstein. Kind of like what I've done here with my homemade Frankenstein hoodie, what I wore at Epic Universe.
Oh, yeah.
You made?
Yeah, I made it.
Good timing.
Unleash the darkness of chaos now.
Now the next coaster is Montu, the B&M Classic Invert. This inverted coaster holds the record for the most inversions on an inverted coaster. 7 inversions, and it shares this record with Banshee at Kings Island. Stonehenge, never been there. Oh, Bath, yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's really good.
That was a good one.
This coaster was awesome, and it's very similar to Oz Iris at Park Asterix. We both love these inverts.
We thank you for visiting us, and we look forward to welcoming you back again soon. For now, we wish you a pleasant evening.
And just like that, our day here at Busch Gardens comes to an end. Even though we didn't manage to ride everything, we still had an amazing day, especially because we finally got on Iron Gwazi. But honestly, one of the biggest highlights wasn't even the ride.
It was getting to meet the kangaroos which made the day even more special.
But a huge thanks to Busch Gardens for giving us fast track for our next visit, because we will definitely be coming back. So,
thank you for watching and see you soon.